My name is Maya, and I am 24 years old. People often say youth is the best time of life, but they never talk about the loneliness that comes with it. Loneliness does not ask your age. It only finds you when you are weakest. I live alone in a small apartment on the third floor of an old building. The paint on the walls is fading, the stairs creak at night, and silence fills every corner of my home. No family lives nearby. No one calls to ask if I reached home safely. Most nights, I unlock my door and step into quiet darkness. During the day, I work at a small cafe near the city center. I smile at customers, serve coffee, and listen to people talk about their happy lives. Couples laugh. Friends make weekend plans. From the outside, I look normal, maybe even happy. But when my shift ends, I take off my apron and walk home alone, surrounded by strangers who all seem to belong somewhere. At night, I sometimes go out with friends. Not because I love parties, but because I hate the feeling of returning to an empty apartment. Silence scares me more than noise. One Friday evening, my friends invited me to a nightclub downtown. I did not want to go. My body felt tired, and my heart felt heavy for reasons I could not explain. Still, I said yes. I told myself I needed music, lights, and people to feel alive again, even for a few hours. The club was loud and crowded. Colored lights flashed everywhere. Music shook the floor. People danced like they had no worries at all. I danced too. I smiled too. But it all felt fake. Inside, I felt disconnected, like I did not belong there. I checked the time again and again. When it passed midnight, I knew I had to leave. My friends wanted to stay longer, so I hugged them goodbye and stepped outside. The cold night air hit my face. I pulled my jacket tighter and looked around. The street was almost empty. I opened my phone and tried to book a taxi. No cars available. I refreshed the app. Still nothing. A small wave of fear rose in my chest. It was nearly 1 in the morning. The club lights were behind me, but ahead, the road was dark and silent. I decided to walk toward the main street, hoping to find a cab there. After about 10 minutes, I saw headlights approaching. A black car slowed down and stopped beside me. My heart started beating faster. The window rolled down, and a man spoke in a calm voice. "Hey, are you okay? It's really late. Do you need a ride?" He looked normal, around 30, neat hair, clean face, polite tone. Still, something inside me hesitated. "I'm fine," I said quickly. "Just waiting for a taxi." He smiled slightly and glanced at the empty road. "You won't find one here at this hour. It's not safe to walk alone. I can drop you close to home." I looked around again. No cars. No people. Fear whispered in my mind. After a few seconds of hesitation, I nodded. "Okay, just drop me near Grinnell Street." "Sure," he said. "Get in." I sat in the passenger seat, holding my purse tightly. "I'm Maya," I said quietly. "I'm Ryan," he replied. "Nice to meet you." At first, everything felt normal. He talked about his job, said he worked in real estate and was returning from a late meeting. His voice was calm, almost friendly. I slowly tried to relax. But then something felt wrong. Ryan took a turn I did not recognize. Grinnell Street was straight ahead, but he turned left onto a darker road. "This isn't the way," I said softly. He smiled without looking at me. "It's a shortcut. Trust me." My stomach tightened. The street grew quieter. Old buildings appeared on both sides. No lights. No houses. "Ryan," I said again, my voice shaking, "please turn back. I think we missed my street." He did not answer. His hands tightened around the steering wheel. His face turned cold and serious. "Please stop the car," I whispered. Silence. Fear exploded inside me. "Stop the car right now," I shouted. He finally looked at me and smiled, a smile that made my blood freeze. "Relax, Maya," he said calmly. "I'm taking you somewhere safe." Click. The doors locked. I grabbed the handle. It would not open. "Please," I cried. "Let me go. I don't even know you." He laughed softly. "You got in the car. You trusted me. Now stay calm." My body froze. Tears streamed down my face. Then his phone rang. He ignored it once. It rang again. This time, he answered quietly. I could only hear a few words. "I'm on my way. Don't worry." My heart nearly stopped. On his way where? Outside, dark warehouses passed by. No people. No lights. No help. While he was on the phone, I noticed the lock button near my door. My hand shook as I reached for it. I pressed it. Click. Ryan turned toward me sharply. "What did you do?" I did not wait. I pulled the handle and pushed the door open. The car was still moving. I jumped. Pain exploded through my knee as I hit the road. I heard tires screech behind me. I got up and ran. I ran like my life depended on it, because it did. Behind me, I heard him shouting, "Maya, come back." I did not look back. My lungs burned. My legs screamed. Then I saw lights ahead, a small gas station. I rushed inside, shaking and crying. "Please help me," I begged. Someone tried to take me. The man at the counter immediately called the police. I collapsed onto the floor, hugging my knees. Minutes later, the police arrived. I told them everything. They searched the area, but Ryan and his car were gone, vanished into the night. They took me to the station and later dropped me home. That night, I did not sleep. Every sound made me jump. Every shadow scared me. Days passed. Then weeks. Ryan was never found. But I was alive. That night changed me forever. I learned that loneliness can be dangerous. That trust, given too easily, can cost your life. Now, I return home early. I never accept rides from strangers. Being alone is better than being unsafe. I survived. And sometimes, surviving is the bravest thing you can do.
Thank you so much for watching our story. We hope you enjoyed it. Please support our channel. Do not forget to like the video. Click the subscribe button. It really helps us grow. Share this story with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. We will bring more new stories for you. See you in the next video.